Hi everybody! You've been working hard doing subtraction using objects. Today we're going to practice drawing dots to help us subtract. You're going to need your whiteboard materials, your plastic sleeve, and the subtraction template. So press pause, and when you're ready, come on back and hit play. Okay, so today to practice subtraction, instead of actually putting objects in our 10 frame, we're going to practice drawing objects. First, we're going to practice drawing objects inside the 10 frame, and then we'll practice drawing objects without having a 10 frame, but we'll use 5 group drawings to help us. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do 5 minus 3 for our first problem. Go ahead on your template and write 5 minus 3. The first step in drawing dots is to draw the first number of dots. Remember, the first number in a subtraction problem always tells us how many objects we have. In this case, it's going to tell us how many dots to draw. So in our 10 frame, we'll draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number tells us how many to take away. 5 minus 3. Let's go ahead and erase 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 dots left. So that tells me that my difference or my answer to the subtraction problem is 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. You go ahead and say the subtraction sentence. Great job. Let's try another one, and I want to show you a different way that you can show subtraction besides erasing the dots. When I'm using a pencil to do my work, erasing can kind of take a long time, so I'm going to show you a quicker way to do it. This time, let's do 7 minus 2. Okay, so we start by drawing 7 dots, and then we'll take away 2 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you could erase 2 dots if you want to, but eventually when you're doing this work with a pencil, that can become very annoying to have to keep erasing using your pencil. So the other option that I like when I'm showing subtraction is to cross things off. So I need to take away 2 dots. That means I'll cross off 2 dots. 1, 2. I have 5 dots left that I didn't cross off. That means that 7 minus 2 equals 5. You go ahead and say the subtraction sentence. Great job. You can continue practicing more using the 10 frame if you want, but I'm actually going to flip mine around, but you can flip yours around. I'm going to use my whiteboard here to practice showing the math drawing my dots without using the 10 frame. This is a little bit trickier and it takes more practice. So if it's too hard for right now, keep on using that 10 frame until you really feel confident with making a 5 group drawing. So here we're going to practice another one. Let's do 8 minus 3. So you could be doing this if you want on the back. If you have a blank piece of paper in the back there, okay? 8 minus 3. Again, the 8 is going to show me the number of dots that I need to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I'm making a 5 group drawing, I try to organize my dots just like there's an invisible 10 frame there. Okay? Then I can look at this and really quickly know that that's the number 8. It's just a really nice way to stay organized. So I started by drawing 8 dots, and now I need to subtract or take away 3 dots. Again, I could use my eraser right now, but when I practice with pencil and paper, it's a lot trickier to erase and it takes more time. So you can either erase right now if you want, or you can practice crossing off to take away 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. I have 5 dots left that are not crossed off, so that tells me that 8 minus 3 equals 5. Today, your practice in your workbook is on page 9. And on page 9, you're going to have that chance to practice drawing dots and crossing off to show subtraction and to help you solve a subtraction problem. So there's an example there for you. You can see that they started by drawing 7 dots, and then they crossed off 3 dots. And left, there's 4 dots. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then there's some more practice for you to do with a pencil. Then I would really recommend not erasing because that will take too long. Have so much fun subtracting using dots, and let us know if you need any help. Have a good day.